And welcome back to another video on Macorlee Travels, and today is day 10 of travelling around Malta. So I've come to the Blue Lagoon up at the very north of Malta. I'm going to have a little walk around here and then do some places on the way down. I don't have a huge plan for today, I'm basically just winging it. The wind is absolutely crazy, so there probably won't be any drone footage at all today, but hopefully you still enjoy today's video nevertheless. So I'm going to walk over to the Blue Lagoon now and I shall catch you when I get there. And I'm now heading back to the car, and then a little bit further down the road, about a 3-minute drive, is the Chapel of Immaculate Conception. So I didn't see this on the map until I actually got here, so I thought, well, I'll go down and have a see how it is. So yeah, I shall catch you at the church. And now I've driven a little bit further down the road, heading back towards the south, and literally a couple of minutes down the straight road from the little chapel, I saw the sign for a picturesque viewing point. So I pulled up, there's this one behind me, it looks quite pretty, so let's have a little closer look. Again, heading a bit further down the coast, I've now turned up at the abandoned festival hotel. I don't know anything about it, I've not read anything up about it, but I will have a little nosy and then do a little bit of a voiceover if I find any information about this place. That's if I can even get in as well. So I'm going to take a little walk down to have a see if I can find any little gaps just to squeeze through. Abandoned for decades, the property was originally a self-catering holiday complex designed by Richard England. It's nestled in the landscape of Macorlee in the countryside just below the iconic Red Tower. In 2018, the company was served an enforcement notice on the festival hotel for abandoning the building and allowing it to become derelict. And behind me is St Agatha's Tower, which is also known as the Red Tower, which was built in the 17th century. So I'm going to take a walk over there, have a little go around. I probably won't speak too much because this wind is absolutely battering the life out of me. And I don't think I'll stay up there too long because the wind is probably even worse up there. But let's head over to the tower. And I've now pulled up at Mistra Bay, so if I give you a spin, it's just behind me. The wind's not as bad here, but it is still pretty windy. The water's lovely and blue. So I'm going to sit here, have a chill, show you around, and then head back towards St Julian's and have a bit of a chill evening because I'm exhausted. So let's spin you around and show you Mistra Bay. I'm now going to head back towards St Julian's and find a little supermarket because I want to buy some hair dye, redo my hair and get some few bits so that I can doll myself up again for Friday night, which will be probably my last night out so I can recover for the few days before flying back home on Sunday. And that is going to be the end of today's video. I was so tired, took a little bit of a nap and I've already eaten, so there isn't really anything more to show. I'm going to have a nice early night and get myself ready for the letter tomorrow. So I do hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss a post. So keep exploring the world one footprint at a time. Until next week, adios.